Ready to level up your English, not tomorrow, not next week, right now? Welcome to Learn Fluently. Because today's episode is not just a podcast. It's your English transformation station. I'm your personal English hype buddy, and today is day 1 of the Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. So, how's your day going? Did anything make you laugh, learn, or at least not yawn today? If yes, awesome. If not, don't worry, you're here now, and that's what counts. Section 1, Shadowing Explained. Let's be real for a sec. Just listening to English won't magically turn you into a fluent speaker. If it did, we'd all be British by now just by watching Sherlock. Wanna speak better English? You gotta speak. Say it with me, speak. 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 Yes, that includes talking to your dog or your mirror if needed. That's where shadowing comes in. No, not hiding behind trees or stalking your ex. Shadowing means, listen. Repeat. Copy my voice, rhythm, and sentence music. Like a parrot with a purpose. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting your brain, mouth, and breath used to speaking English. Even if you sound like a confused robot at first, that's okay. Mistakes? Great. That's how you learn. Remember, 5 minutes a day beats 1 hour once a week. Consistency is the real MVP. Section 2, How this works. Here's how this challenge works. I'll say a sentence in my soft, Indian accent, it's real, not from Harry Potter. You repeat after me. Loudly. Proudly. Confidently. Use the subtitles, watch those subtitles, words like they owe you money. Feel the rhythm. Hear the flow. Speak with your whole face. And no, you don't need to be in a quiet room. The louder the better. Unless you're on a bus. Then, maybe whisper. Section 3, Shadowing begins. Alright, superstar. Let's warm up those English muscles. Say it with me. I am learning English. I am learning English. Yes, you are, and you're crushing it. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are your new best friends. Hug them tight. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. Even if it's just one new word, it counts. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. Because progress is progress, even if it's baby steps and bunny slippers. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Let's make it fun, not a boring grammar prison. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. Speed doesn't matter, clarity is king. I try every day. I try every day. Even if it's just in the shower or to your coffee cup. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. You should. Because I do. I trust my journey, even if it's slow. I trust my journey, even if it's slow. Slow? Who cares? Tortoises win races too. Section 4, Longer sentences. You're doing awesome. Now, let's turn up the challenge a bit. Repeat after me. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. You're planting seeds now, big fluency tree later. I'm not giving up. I am growing. Repeat it like a mantra. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. Perfection is a myth. Communication is power. I'm building my confidence one word at a time. Each word is a building block, and you're the architect. I'm getting better with every practice. That's how growth happens. I can understand more than I think. Surprise yourself, you're smarter than you know. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Silent English is cool. Spoken English is fluency magic. I show up even when it's hard. That's what legends do. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Celebrate them. Every mistake is one step closer to greatness. Section 5, Final 10 Sentences. Last stretch, ready? Let's crush it. Every day I am becoming more confident in English. Say it like you mean it. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Because you just did. I'm proud of my progress, even if it's small. Every inch forward is a victory. English is not hard, it's just new. Like learning to ride a bicycle, with words. I learn something new every time I try. Because effort equals progress. I'm building strong English habits today. Habit stacking equals language hacking. My English gets better with every word I say. You're making moves. Even small practice makes a big difference. Small steps lead to big change. I am patient with myself and my progress. Patience is your secret weapon. This is just the beginning of my English success. The best is yet to come. Well done. You've completed day 1 of your shadowing challenge. You showed up. You spoke up. And most importantly, you didn't give up. If this felt good, come back tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to learn fluently. Same time, same place, and even more powerful sentences. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. And you were. I'm proud of you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember. You're not just learning English. You're becoming someone who lives in English. See you tomorrow.